cancer survives because it's adaptable. It evolves. When one growth pathway is blocked, cancer often finds another route, like an enemy changing tactics during war. For years, cancer treatments have focused on silencing the messages that tell tumors to grow. But new research suggests cancer may gain an advantage somewhere else entirely: its supply chain. Scientists studied a protein called GOLPH3, found in the Golgi apparatus, the cell's packaging and shipping center. They discovered that GOLPH3 helps transport more growth receptors to the surface of cancer cells. Those receptors act like radio towers, receiving growth commands from the environment. More towers mean stronger communication. Stronger communication can mean more aggressive cancer. The surprising part, GOLPH3 doesn't send the signal. GOLPH3 doesn't become the tower. GOLPH3 helps deliver and install more towers. Imagine trying to weaken an enemy by disrupting its radio broadcasts. While behind the front lines, fleets of trucks continuously arrive carrying new antennas, expanding the communication network faster than you can disable it. That's the evolutionary ingenuity cancer often displays. Not inventing new messages, but improving the infrastructure that receives them. Working with another protein called MYO18A, GOLPH3 appears to help move these receptor towers into position on the cell surface, amplifying cancer's ability to hear growth instructions. This changes how scientists may think about treatment. Perhaps defeating cancer isn't only about jamming the signal. Perhaps it's also about targeting the convoys delivering the towers, because cancer's greatest strength has never been brute force. It has been adaptation.